Good afternoon, everybody. Mark Worth here on the Truckee River, and I got another oldie for you. This one was released March 1975, written by Gordon Lightfoot and performed by Gordon Lightfoot, and it's called Rainy Day People. And this song hit home with me because I realized after I sang this a few times that my wife is a rainy day person. Lori is a rainy day person. So I'm going to let you guys hear these words. And you can see if you know any rainy day people. Rainy day people always seem to know when it's time to call. Rainy day people don't talk, they just listen till they've heard it all. Rainy day lovers don't lie when they tell ya they've been down like you. Rainy day people don't mind if you're crying a tear or two. If you get lonely, all you needed is that rainy day love. Rainy day people all know there's no sorrow you can rise above. Rainy day lovers don't love any others, that would not be kind. Rainy day people all know that it hangs on your peace of mind. Rainy day people don't mind if you're crying a tear or two. Rainy day people always seem to know when you're feeling blue. High stepping sluggers who land and they gotta sometimes need one too. Take it or leave it or try to believe it. If you've been down too long, rainy day people don't hide love inside, they just pass it on. Rainy day lovers don't hide love inside, they just pass it on. That's Lori to a T. Thanks for listening.